Creating a standard protocol for batch cultivations is simple. The software guides you through the process tab by tab. In order to create a new protocol, navigate to the Protocols menu and select New. Assign it a name. Choose the lot number of the Microtiter plate used from the drop-down list and confirm the info message. If the lot number is missing, you may update the lot list. This can be done in the Settings menu. The Microtiter plate type is automatically selected based on the chosen lot number. You can install up to 6 filter modules in the BioLector XT Microbioreactor, giving the opportunity to measure up to 6 channels during one cultivation experiment. The drop-down list will indicate the installed filter modules of the currently selected instrument at the top. Select a filter module and assign the channel a customizable name. For pH and DO channels, appropriate lot-specific calibrations are pre-selected. If required, you can adjust the sensitivity of any measurement channel, except for pH and DO, by altering the gain value. A higher number relates to an increased detector sensitivity. Proceeding to the measurement parameters, you may choose from a manual or fixed experiment time and a post-run temperature set point of the incubation chamber. Set environmental parameters in the area below. Activated humidity control will cause the ingoing gas mixture to be humidified in order to reduce evaporation from the cultivation wells. The cultivation temperature either remains constant throughout the experiment or follows a profile to be defined here. The same procedure applies to the shaking frequency. In the next step, select a gassing mode from the drop-down list. It shows the modules installed in your BioLector XT device. From there, choose the gas flow rate and concentration set point, again, either in a constant or variable mode. Navigate the Layout tab to proceed. Select all wells from the scratch Microtiter plate that should be subject to measurement. Assign each individual cultivation well a start filling volume and, if necessary, a maximum allowed filling volume. Be aware that the recommended maximum value is dependent on the shaking frequency. Having completed the protocol settings, you can now save the protocol to your BioLection software.